In this video, we'll cover how to play Neural Stack alongside another audio or video app. Let's open the app's global settings by tapping the Settings button on the main screen. Now, select Audio to view the global audio settings. By default, when you first install the app, Allow playing with other apps will be enabled. On iOS, the ability for an app to play alongside other apps also determines whether iOS will place the app on the lock screen and whether it can receive commands from earbuds, AirPods, or headphones. When Allow playing with other apps is enabled, iOS won't place it on the lock screen, and it won't send Bluetooth or AirPod pause or resume commands to the app. When it is disabled, Neural Stack will appear on the lock screen and will respond to earbud commands, but it won't play alongside other apps. On this screen, we can also enable Duck Other Audio. When this is enabled, iOS will reduce the volume of the other app by 50% while Neural Stack is playing. These settings apply globally, but we can also override them at the stack level. For example, you may have a focus stack that you prefer to listen to alongside another music app, and you want to duck the other app's volume to make the brainwave tones more audible. Or you may have a sleep stack that you want to pause and resume from the lock screen, so you would disable other audio apps for that stack. Let's tap the Now Playing button to open the Stack Composer and look at how we can override these settings at the stack level. Let's open the Power Nap stack we saved in an earlier video by tapping the Stack menu and selecting My Stacks. Now, let's select our Power Nap stack. When using a stack for sleep, it would be nice to control it from the lock screen and not have to open the app, especially if we've enabled the alarmed stack element. So let's disable Allow Other Apps to Play for this stack. First, tap the Stack Setting button. These settings allow us to override Allow Playing with Other Apps and Duck Other Audio just for this stack. Next, we'll enable Override Allow Playing with Other Apps. The next setting is the Allow Playing with Other Apps for this stack. It's currently enabled, so let's disable it. Below this, we can see the override settings for the Duck Other Audio. Now let's tap Done. If the audio is playing, it will restart automatically to apply the new settings. The Stack Settings button now shows that we've overridden and disabled Allow Playing with Other Apps. Let's tap Save Stack to preserve these changes. Now, when we tap the Play button and then lock the device, we'll see the app on the lock screen. Now, let's lock the device. We can see that the app is now present on the lock screen. We can use the lock screen controls to pause and resume the app. Also, iOS will now send pause and resume commands from earbuds or headphone controls to the app. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.